going on, guys? Today we just took out the 350Z for the first time since I would say November, and so it's pretty exciting. Finally get to drive it again. Feels really nice. Today we will be trying to diagnose my friend's Evo. He's getting some like weird clunking in the rear of his car. So we're gonna figure that out, and before then we are going to the car wash, washing our cars, because our cars are disgusting right now from sitting for so long. So I feel embarrassed even driving it on the road right now, to be honest with you, because it's black, it's got a bunch of dust all over it, a bunch of water spots, and pieces of tarp was ripping off from my carport, and all the blue got on my car, so need to wash all that off. And after that we're gonna pick up some food, and then we are going to probably cruise for a little bit and then figure out his issue. So I'm heading to the car wash right now, so I'll pick up the camera when we get there.
Alright, so let me just preface, this Evo is at 200,000 miles, so fuck you.
What?
I'm talking to the audience. Anyway, come here. We're gonna fix that because I destroyed the threads last time I replaced the thermostat, and now it's leaking everywhere.
And we're
so
talking
we have
about
to
this
retab it.
thermostat housing. There's a bunch of leaking coolant out.
Suddenly started getting really hot on the way here.
Yeah, so you said you were smelling something burning on the way home.
Yeah, it's probably the shit.
And then he brings it here, opens up the hood, and he noticed it leaking. And that's definitely the burning smell. So, and he has no coolant in here anymore, so hopefully it didn't overheat or anything. I don't know.
No, I turned the heat on and it stopped smelling, so it's probably good.
Okay, well that's good. At least your car isn't blown up.
Yeah.
So now the next step is to take this hose off, and then take the bolts out, move some wiring out of the way, and then re-tap the housing.
See comments about literally everything.
What was that?
Can't wait to see comments about literally everything.
Yeah, we can make a full video on your car. Here's a little quick.
Alright, dude, let's fix this fucking housing so we can Tokyo drift.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. I want to do it. Alright, this is where you fast forward.
Oh, there it goes. It looks up.
Oh man, that was tough.
Nice. Okay.
It's empty. Oh no. Oh.
So we pulled that off, and there's no coolant in it whatsoever. Yeah, the thermostat dropped in.
Oops. I'll put that back.
At least that's wet. That means it hasn't gone too long without it.
Yeah, I guess putting the heat on probably saved it, actually.
Okay.
Driving with the heat on full blast in 70-degree weather was worth it.
Yeah.
This was probably like literally on the brink of
Logan?
like, not working.
What is that?
Don't look at that. Stop. Don't expose me.
Focus.
The camera can't focus because it's too hideous.
What is that? Please tell me what that is. Explain. Explain yourself.
I lost the original clip, so it reads.
So you went to your mom's kitchen.
Actually, I did.
You doing a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Making a super badass video.
Fix it.
Just our daily lives, you know.
Because we're so interested.
It should be very interesting.
So how the fuck does this shit work?
One connector back there.
I'm not sure how to take off. Oh wait till you see this. I had to fix this myself. Oh, baby.
Oh my gosh.
You want to show them that?
I need a filmer.
At home,
here-
do-it-yourself repair. These clips broke, so there you go.
What is that?
Not bad.
What is that
It's,
white shit?
Some kind of glue. What did I just drop?
So we got the hoses off, the electrical connectors, now just the housing bolts, and then it's good to go.
Oh, that just came right off. Right off. That was so easy.
Nice. That's why they give
No
you 3
cranky.
bolts, so just in case one's loose, you got 2 more.
That's probably leaking from there too. How'd I miss that? There's probably a couple of loose bolts.
Yeah, there's a gasket behind there, right?
Yeah. There sure is, so, you know.
Yeah, that could definitely be a leak right there.
Yep, it leaks.
Yep, it leaks.
What is it holding? Put your
that
guess
one
in the comments below.
Nice.
There we go.
That wasn't bad.
Now, come here.
Alright, so we ran into another issue. So when we pulled the housing off, this brand new gasket cracked in half.
Paper.
That's why you don't buy paper gaskets, I guess.
It came with
Always
the,
go
no,
metal.
This
No,
came,
that's OEM, right?
yeah. This came from like Mitsubishi itself. So,
Yeah.
You know, that's,
And it cracked what? How long did it take?
it's been in there for less than a year.
Pocket.com.
Perfect.
Alright, we went to Ace Auto Riley's parts and got some bolts. Hopefully the tool was right. Oh, look at that.
Like
That
butter?
is beautiful. Perfect.
I think he decided on using, where is it at? Don't really have an option because the parts store doesn't have the gasket in stock and it ripped, so we got to put it together today. So he decided to use the gear oil gasket maker.
Once we
So
put the gasket on, I'm just gonna place the 1-2 pieces like on the RTV and just squish
here,
it
let's
in there
demonstrate it
and
a little
hope that
bit.
it presses in.
So we're gonna do something really ghetto here, and hopefully it works a little bit. So we're gonna take this gasket,
We do gotta wash it.
broken 2-piece gasket, and put it on there with some gasket maker, and hopefully it'll make it home until we get a new gasket and then replace it, and then be good after that. But we gotta do what we gotta do.
Good thing I have
There's-
another car to drive.
I think this is the car that I thought was real nice when you first got it.
Yeah, it was nice, but then the paint turned pink and it doesn't look so nice anymore.
What are you gonna think? Love the bumper.
Oh, thanks. What up, y'all?
Trying to get a good shot.
You just don't know what secure means. It's getting stuck.
Here, let me make a bigger hole for
That's
you.
just not happening. If I was to like,
What is this
pull
part
you,
for?
Tigger,
Just
that's when it starts leaking. It can catch the first little bit of it.
Okay, makes sense.
Because it's a Mitsubishi, something's gonna go wrong. And it's not gonna be something common, it'll be something stupid like this. But to be fair, this is my fault, so.
So
Okay, this goes here.
don't forget your gasket.
Your gate.
You gotta put it back on. Careful, careful, SpongeBob, careful.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob!
Very precise.
Last part. All right, boys, we did it.
That's it for this video.
That was
Wait!
it.
Job well done. There's more! But wait, there's more.
Make sure you like and subscribe and comment and share with your friends because we're so cool.
I was just about to say that, so what he said. Do that right now.